wearing the jacket that I made that ended up in an article at the Smithsonian. The painting below of the car is something I painted on my YouTube channel, and I'll link that one with it. And my channel is basically multi-dimensional. I don't just focus on music, I also focus on art and fashion, as you can see. Welcome to my channel. My name is Cinta. My channel is called Compose Music, Art, and Fashion with Cinta Margot. My name is Cinta Margot, and as you can see, this is one of the pieces that I have created. I can't just say that my channel is specifically focused just on the music, but the reason why I talk about the music is because on YouTube, unless you own the rights to the music, meaning you create your own music, the complications of having your videos taken down by platforms, if it is copyright and people find out that it's not your piece, can be a problem to dispute. You have to have proof that you can dispute it, or else you're going to have a problem. So you want to make sure the music is valid. The music you hear in the background is the stuff that I produce, and it's important to understand that having your own visuals does make an impact and a difference on your pages, not just on YouTube, but all the platforms. I try my best to branch out to multiple platforms because I find that focusing on one platform is great, but give yourself that option to try various different platforms and to get monetized. So that's basically why I started the channel, because I thought it was important for people to understand moving past the popular trending sounds, which are actually technically somebody else's music. That's one of my photographs. Photography is one. Also my photographs. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this content and if it is helping you, because overall this is an educational channel besides learning the skills on multiple kind of angles. And hopefully you'll see me again and I can help you, and I will give out gifts once I reach certain goals, and those gifts could be sent through places like Whatnot and Poshmark, which is what I deal with as well. So lots of things going on here. Please like and subscribe once again, and hope to see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.